First thing, I picked a container of my desired shape and size, washed it, cleaned it, then I gave it a coat of off-white paint all around it, and I'm going to take the lid off and use this as the base. Next, I got on an A4 size paper, printed out two antique looking labels. There are many free labels available in the net and one can use them. I decided to use this rose label. I'm cutting very close to it so that I can get that antique colored look. Ideally for decoupage you should have as thin as possible the paper, but since this is a label I can try using a normal A4 size paper for printing. So once I have this, I'll place it and see how it looks. I think it looks fine with this color, but still I would add some color to match it or give it a better contrast. You see, I'm doing more of a stippling kind of effect. Because it's off-white and I'm doing a stippling with a pastel pink, it goes really well. So here is how it looks. Now I'll let this dry and then we'll add the label, and now add a generous amount of glue for the label to stick really well. Now comes the art. Now more red color, and I'm going to add it here around the label, highlighting the label. You see, when I picked the label, it was not a very high resolution. I just increased the contrast and saturation and got this. It's not well defined, and all the more why it looks more antiqued is because it's not so well defined. What I have here is a gold pen, and I'm just going to lightly highlight the text matter. It says La Rose Romantic. I'm just going to highlight it using my pen. Lastly, as the rules of decoupage, I'm going to cover this with the white glue. This will kind of seal off the whole thing and keep everything safe underneath, and also add to the shine to the label, which would look really nice. I'm not much worried about the bubbles created because it's a label and it's an old label.